Welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So today's DIYs are going to be all about Grinch. I already started on my Grinch Christmas decor, so I wanted to share with you just in case you want to go ahead and get a jump start on your decor as well. So the first one we're going to be making is the glass, and we're going to go ahead and get 2 of the cylinder vases and 1 of the candle holders from Dollar Tree. That's glass as well. And you're going to go ahead and add some permanent glue, which I always use E6000, and then add some hot glue around that as well, just so I can go ahead and continue with my project, so I don't have to wait for that E6000 to glue to set. The hot glue will allow me to continue with my project. So once you've added that stand to 1 of your cylinders, you can go ahead and just grab another one and leave it as is, or add another one if you want it to be the same height. So what I did was I grabbed some of this lime green paint from Dollar Tree as well, and I just poured it on the rim of my cylinder. And I added it on the top, that way it can just kind of roll down, I guess you could say, on the cylinder, and that would make an even coat all the way down, so I don't have to use a paintbrush or anything like that, so you won't see any streaks at all. So just add a really good amount, because once you're done pouring it all in there and it's all nice and covered, you're going to basically flip it over. And I usually do it on a paper plate. I flip it over and allow all that paint to drain down for a few hours. Then I just put it right side up, I'm sorry, and then let it continue drying that way. And all that paint, extra paint, will be on your paper plate, and you can just go ahead and put it right back into your bottle of paint and reuse it again. one and a larger one that you can buy at Dollar Tree as well. This is the medium-sized wood piece. And of course, I painted it all around. And then I just grabbed some different color ribbons that kind of match and go. It up and set it aside for the meantime. Then go ahead and grab your piece of wood, and again grab a Grinch face, or you can do the Grinch heart.